Many of us have shoulder tension and shoulder discomfort. It's extremely common. It is often a habitual and unconscious pattern that we find is a challenge. But because your brain is on your side, and because your brain has a flexible capacity, a quality that we call neuroplasticity, that makes your brain amenable and attracted, in fact, to new learning and improvement, no matter your age. This is the magic of Feldenkrais lessons. They give us effective ways to interrupt and counteract even the stickiest of habits and enable us to build new, better habits and choices.